Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And now this is the worksheet. What you can see here, we are going to discuss this worksheet, and this I got from some other resources that they said that if you solve this question, then this will be very helpful for the students in the exam. Okay, so I thought that I should make a video for this. Try to understand this, everyone. Maybe these questions are from your book Ministry of Education Mathematics for Reveal Maths, okay, or from any other resources. Just try to understand the questions. Use the graph below to find the area of the shaded parallelogram. You see, this is the parallelogram and we have to find the area. So what is the formula for area? It is base multiplied by height, and it is equal to, what is base? Base is 10 here because height is made on the side 10. So this is 10 multiplied by 7, and it will be equal to 70 meter square. Okay, so this will be the answer. Like this, I saw the questions, and maximum of the questions are very easy for you. Okay, so if you want, you can take the screenshot of every question and then you can save it in your laptop also. Okay, now here one thing you need to understand, that they have given you 8 also. Yes, you can see they have given you 8 also, just to confuse. Maybe another option will be 56. So don't confuse with that, okay, because 7 is the height and this height is made on the line 10. So this will be the height 7 and this 10 will be the base, not 8. Okay, so 8 will not be used in this question, so its answer will be 70. Now next question can be this one. Okay, I'll erase it first. Now this is the question. Use the graph below to find the area of the shaded region. Same type of question. So this is triangle. Okay, so area of the triangle is half times base times height. So it is equal to half times base. Base means 12 and height means 10. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 6 multiplied by 10 is 60 centimeter square. Okay, so maybe the option is there down. So 60 centimeter square will be the answer. This one. Okay, you can see fourth is the answer. Now another question can be, this is the question. What they say, use the graph below to find the area of the shaded trapezoid. Okay, so what you can do here, trapezoid area is equal to half times a plus b, where a and b are the parallel sides, multiply by the height. So it is equal to half times, parallel sides are 6 and 10. Parallel sides means those who do not cut each other, and then multiply by height is 8. So this is 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 multiply 4 is 64 meter square. Okay, this will be the answer. So this is the answer, the last one, 64 meter square. Now another question can be, the side length of the rectangle. Okay, this question deals with the rectangle. So let's make it quickly. Each side of the length of the rectangle is figured below. Figure below is multiplied by 3. Okay, so every side is now 3 times and you have to find the change in area. So for this I made another video also, that if you have to find change in area, then what it will be? It will be the old area, means original area, times, this is called scale factor. Okay, the number by which it is multiplied, it is called scale factor to the power 2. For perimeter it will be same, scale factor, no change in that. And for area, scale factor power 2, and if you have to find change in volume, then it will be scale factor to the power 3. Okay, so here it will be old area times scale factor is what? It is 3, because every side is multiplied by 3. It is here. So 3 to the power 2 means 9 times. So new area will be 9 times the old area. Okay, the original area. So area is, second option you can see here, second option is the area is 9 times the area of the original figure. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Now what next we can have? This can be, a rectangle vertices are A, 2, 4, B, C, D are given. Use the coordinate of the rectangle in the given figure to find the sum of the rectangle sides. Okay, See, in place of asking the perimeter, they have written find the sum of the rectangle sides. So it means they are asking about the perimeter. Yes. Now you see, what is the side for this? I told you, you can count the blocks or you can check with the coordinates also. So why to waste the time in counting the coordinates? Okay, we'll check with the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. And then this is also 4 because it is a rectangle. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. So this will also be 3. Okay. But make sure that nowhere they have written that one block represents some other units. Okay. Maybe say one block represent 2 meter. Then counting will be doubled. Okay. You will remember this thing. So here nothing is written. So just I am counting 1, 1 only. Or if you want, you can do with the coordinate also. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, and 11 plus 3, 14. Okay, like this you can do this question. Now another question can be, you will check the calculation mistake, okay, because I am doing it without calculator, and that too also because you have very less time. Tomorrow is the exam for you. Now this is Fin Fitness shows the in the figure below has an entrance to the locker room from both the exercise room and the weight room. What is the total area of the Fin Fitness? Now you see, you have to find the area of this complete shape. So what you can do, first you can find area of this rectangle complete. So area of rectangle means exercise room. What will be the area? Area of the exercise room will be 10 multiplied by 7 means 70. Okay, 70 meter square. So this will include all this area up to here. Okay, all. Now, if you find area of the weight room, area of weight room, so what it will be? It will be equal to 7 multiply 6 because it is also a rectangle. Yes, I will change the color so that you can see here how I change the color. Okay, I think I did it. Yes, this is okay. Now 7 multiply 6. 7 multiply 6 means 42 meter square. Now will we add? Are we going to add 70 and 42? Of course no. Why? Because when you talk about 70 area of the exercise room, then this portion is already included. Yes. And if you talk about the weight room, then again it will be included. So it means this will be counted 2 times, which will be wrong. So what we are going to do here, we will have to subtract that particular area, this area which is common locker room. This area needs to be subtracted from any one area, maybe exercise room or maybe weight room. So what will be the area of the locker room? You see, area of the locker room is again in the form of rectangle or a square. So you'll have to find the side. See, this total side is 10. Yes. From this much side is given 6. So what will be the downside? It will be 4. Now, this total is 7. From 7, 3 is going there. So what it will be? 4. So area of the locker room will be 4 multiplied by 4 means 16 meter square. So total area will be what? Total area will be area of exercise room plus area of weight room minus area of the locker room. Why I am subtracting here area of the locker room? Because locker room is counting for 2 times. One with the exercise room area or another with the weight area. Okay, that's what I am subtracting it. Now this is equal to 70 plus 42 112 minus 16, and it will be equal to 12 to 2 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6, and 10 minus 1, 9. 96 meter square. Do we have any such option? 96? Yes, 96 is this second one. Okay, now see the next question. They say a rectangular prism sink is 10 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and 3 centimeter deep. Find the amount of the water that can be contained in the sink. I told you in the class also that amount of the water means we are talking about volume, okay, capacity. So volume of the rectangular prism is length multiply width multiply height means 10 multiply 5 multiply 3, and it is equal to 10 times 5, 50, 50 times 3, 150 centimeter cube. Okay, like this you can solve this question. Now another question can be, volume of the triangular prism. Okay, we'll find the volume of the triangular prism also, no worries. Now you see, what is the general volume of the prism? Volume of the prism is equal to area of the base, or you can say base area multiply by height. Okay, now if it is a triangular prism, then what will be the base? Base will be a triangle. Hope you can see this thing. Okay, this is the triangular base. Yes, so its area will be half times base times height and multiply height of the prism. So this is height of the prism, means this one, multiply by 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Base is 4. Height of the triangle is 3 times 5. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60 centimeter cube. Okay, like this you can do this question. Now similarly, this is find the volume of the pyramid. Now volume of the pyramid, what is the formula for volume of pyramid? Volume of pyramid is what I am writing. Volume of the pyramid is equal to 1 over 3 times area of the base times height. Okay, I am writing in short area. Area means area of the base. Okay, now you can see here 1 over 3 times. Now area is, base is a square or rectangle, you can see. Base is a rectangle. So 10 by 6 it will be the side. So 10 multiplies 6 is the area of the rectangle times height. Height is given, that is 10. So multiplied by 10. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So 10 times 2, 20. 20 times 2, 200 centimeter power 3. Okay, this one, the third option you can see here. This is okay. Like this you can calculate. So what's the formula for volume of pyramid? It is 1 over 3 times area of the base times height. Okay, now another thing can be, what we have to do in this question, we have to find the surface area of the rectangular prism. Now surface area of the rectangular prism, what formula I told you for this? This is surface area is equal to 2 times LW plus WH plus HL, means it is equal to 2 times L means length, this is 6, multiply width means 4, then width means 4 and height means 8, plus height means 8 and length means 6. Now it is equal to 2 times 6 times 4, 24, plus 8 times 4, 32, plus 8 times 6, 48. Now this is equal to 2 times, what will be the addition of this? 4 to 6, 6, 8, 14, 1 forward, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6 and 4, 10. So 104 multiplied by 2 means 208 centimeter square. This one. Okay. Now another thing can be, find the total surface area of the square pyramid shown in the figure below. Now you see total surface area, what it will be? Let's talk about this. Total surface area. So it will be, I told you, whenever it is a pyramid, then you will open the surface and then you will see what will be the area. Okay, so one down will be the base, that is a square, its sides are 6 and 6, and then on the side you will have 4 triangles of the same side. Okay, and height of the triangle is 8 and base of the triangle will be 6. So area of square, it will be equal to what? It will be 6 multiply 6 means 36 centimeter square, and area of 4 triangles, because you have 4 triangles on the 4 sides. Okay, so it will be 1 over 2 times base times height for one triangle and multiply by 4 for all the 4 triangles. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, base is 6, height is 8, multiply by 2. So 6 multiply by 8, 48, 48 multiply by 2 is 96. So add 96 with 36. So this will be the total area. Total area will be 6, 6, 12, 9, 3, 12 and 1, 13. So 132 centimeter square. Do we have any such option? Yes, the last one. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now, the next one, my dear students, please check the calculation. Okay, I know I'm rushing a little bit faster because I know that you have studied everything. So that's what I'm trying to finish it quickly. Okay, so that you can save your time and you can spend your time in other lessons also. Find the volume of the composite figure. Now you see, volume means it is only just two rectangular prism, the first one and the second bigger rectangular prism. Okay, so find both the volume and make them plus. So for volume, what is the formula? Volume of one, so it will be LWH. You see, one side we know, another side also we know, that is height. What is this side? This side is equal to this one and this is equal to this one, means 2. So it will be equal to 4 multiply 6 multiply 2 means 48. 4 6 are 24. 24 times 2, 48 centimeter cube. Okay. Now volume of 2 is LWH. That is, now for the bigger volume, you see down one. Why it is not erasing? Okay, so for the down area, you see how you can find this. This is, for this length you have 10, so 10 multiply width you have 2, so 10 multiply 2, and height you have 5, so multiply by 5. So it is equal to 10 times 2, 20, 20 times 5, 100 centimeter cube. So total area will, total volume will be 100 plus 48 means 148 centimeter cube. Okay, like this you can finish this question. Now another question can be, this will be equal to, the following table shows the number of CDs a group of friends bought. Find the mean number of the group of, okay, mean is very easy for you. Mean is equal to, just add all the numbers, 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3, and then divide by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. So it will be 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, divided by 5 means it will be 4. So mean will be 4 here. Do we have any option? Yes, the last one. Okay, the last answer is correct, this one. Now another question can be, this is the scores of 5 students. The scores of 5 students in the final exams are this one. Find the median. So how do you do, how you find the median? Median you can find very easily by arranging them in ascending or descending order. Okay, so see how you will do this thing. Arrange them in ascending order, increasing order. This will be 50, 70, 80, 85 and 90. Hope I have done all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now what is the middle number? Middle number is 80. So 80 will be the median. Okay. And if you have two numbers in the middle, for example, in another case, then you will add the numbers and then you will divide it by 2. Okay. Now another question can be, this is height of the 6 students are in centimeter. This, find the mode. Mode means the number with the highest frequency. Okay, mode means the number written maximum times, written maximum of the times, or you can say the number with highest frequency. Highest frequency number is called mode. And which number is written for the maximum time? You see, do you have such number? Any number if you have, you see 160 is written for 2 times. Yes, and all other numbers are written only 1 time. So here mode of the data will be 160. This will be the mode. Okay, just remember one thing, that mode means the number which comes again and again, or the number which is repeated maximum times, highest frequency, that is called mode. Now what is the next question here? Next question is, find the interquartile range. Interquartile range, if you remember the formula, that was Q3 minus Q1. Yes. So for that you will have to find Q3 and Q1 first. So what you will do? First we are going to arrange the data in increasing order. So is it written? Thank God, it is already written in that order. Now we will divide these numbers into two groups, first half and second half. Okay. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this middle number will be the median. So this is the first half and this is the second half. Okay. So this will be the first quartile because this is the middle number of the first half, and this will be the third quartile because it is the middle number of the second half, third quartile. Okay. So interquartile range will be equal to Q3 minus Q1 means 66 minus 40, that is 26. This will be the interquartile range. Okay. Now another question can be, the scores of 4 students are this. Find the mean absolute deviation. Okay, how you will find the mean absolute deviation? Try to find this thing. For mean absolute deviation, I told you first you will have to find the mean. So how you will find mean? M is equal to, add all the numbers, 15 plus 16, and then how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there, so divided by 4, it is equal to 13 and 12. 25, 25 plus 15, 38, 38 and 6, 44 and 10, 54, I guess. I am sure it is the correct answer. 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 10, 6. Oh, no, 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 no. This is the wrong calculation. What is that? Just try to check again. 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10 and 6, 16, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, 56 over 4 means 14. Okay, so 14 is the mean. Now every number you will divide by 14 and make it positive. So absolute difference of 13 minus 14, it will be equal to 1. Absolute difference of 12 and 14, it will be minus 2, but absolute will be plus 2. Then absolute value 15 minus 16, sorry, 15 minus 14, it will be 1. Then absolute value of 16 minus 14, it will be equal to 2. And its total will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4 and 2, 6. And how many numbers are total? 4. So mean absolute deviation will be 6 over 4 means 1.5. This will be the mean absolute deviation. Okay. Now next question can be, this is, the following table shows the number of hours that a group of the students studied for the mathematics test. Which measure of the center best represent the data? Now you see, we have two things which best represent the data. One is mean and another is median. Now median will be helpful for us when there are so many outliers. Okay, only then median will be helpful for us. Otherwise mean is a very good thing to represent the data. Okay, so here mode and range are out of the answer, they are not the answer. Only the thing confusion is between median and mean. So first of all we will try to find the mean here, and you see if there is any outlier, then you can see, yes, if outlier is there, then median will be the best thing to represent the data. If not, then mean will be the best part to represent the data. Now you see this thing, 1, 2, okay, 1 finish, 2 finish, then 3 also finish, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 5, oh, 3 is one more time, no, 5. How many numbers are total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 8 numbers are there. So it means in between you will have 2 numbers. So 2 numbers will be 4 and 4. So its median will be 4 plus 4 divided by 2 means 4. Okay. And if you see about the mean, then what it will be? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 and 8, 21, 21 and 5, 26 and 1, 27. Over 8 numbers were there, so it is of course less than 4. Okay, so mean is less than the median. So what we are going to check? We will check the range, that what do you say, outlier also. So you see the middle number, first half, this is the first half, or you can say from here, from 1 to 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 over 2 is 2.5, this is Q1, and the last two half is 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 divided by 4 is 2, and this is Q3. Okay, so lower limit will be interquartile range. Interquartile range means, you see, lower limit is Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR, which is equal to Q1. Q1 is 2.5 minus 1.5 times IQR means subtract them. 4 minus 2.5 means 1.5. So this is 1.5, and 2.5 minus 1.5 multiply 1.5 means 2.25. So it is equal to 0.25. Okay, so any number below 0.25 will be an outlier, and there is no such number. So what we are going to do here now, we will find the upper limit also. And what is the formula for upper limit? I am sure you remember that formula. So that formula is, this is upper limit. This is Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range, and it is equal to Q3 means 4 plus 1.5 times IQR was 1.5. So 4 plus 2.25 means 6.25. Any number bigger than this will be outlier. And what is the maximum number here? Maximum number was 5. So there is no outlier. So mean will be the best way to represent the data. Okay. Now another question can be, this is, the following table represent the weights of the 14 kids. Draw the line plot of the data. Okay. See, this type of question will be very easy for you. Just you need to be little careful. Okay. First you see how many numbers are there, and then like that we can count it. Okay. So just take one number only. For example, we got 25 first here. So just count 25. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Okay, 25 is 4 times. So you see there should be 4 dots on 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this option is not possible. What about the fourth one? Fourth one, okay, there is also 4. So chances are there for fourth option also. Now we will come to next number, 24. So 24 how many times? 1, then 2, 3, 3 times. So 3 dots on 24, only here 2 dots there. So this option is also not possible. And then last about, what is the last? Okay, there also 3 on 24, 1 on 23 also you see. Now we have fight between option this and option last. Okay, this last option. So you see, all the dots are matching. Only we will check with the difference dot only. Okay, where do we have the difference? Only we are going to see that one. Now you see for 20, in the last option we have 4 dots. In the first option we have 3 dots. So just check for 20 only. Okay, not to waste the time. So for 20, how we are going to check here? Count it. For 20, 1, 2, and 3. For 20 we have 3 dots only. So this option is correct. Okay, the first one. Last one is wrong, because all other options are same. But what you can do here, it's very easy. Just count every number and count how many times it is. So number of counting will be the number of dots. Okay. Now another question can be, what's the next question? Following line plot shows the data shows the weights of a group of students. Find the median of the data. Okay. Now you see, for the median, what you can do here, just count the number of total students, means count the total dots. So 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 1, 6, 6, 2, 8, 8, 2, 10, 10 and 4, 14. So there are 14 data. 14 numbers, 14 students. So it means in between you will have 2 students. So divided by 2, so 7 and 8. There will be 2 students in the middle. So what are the 7th and 8th dots? You see, count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both come on the same line. Yes. So median will be 23. But for example, just for an example, I am telling you, if for example we are counting 7 and 8 and one number goes For 23, one number goes for 24. Then what you will do? Then you will add 23 and 24 and divide by 2, means 23.5. Not for this example, okay? Not for this question. I am telling you in general that if you have two numbers in the middle and one number goes on one side and another number goes on another side, then what you will do, okay? Now, so its answer is 23. Now, another thing is, the following line plot of the data shows the ages of a group of university students. Find the mode of the data. Mode means what I told you, the maximum number of repetition, the highest frequency. So which number here has maximum dots? No doubt it is 25. Yes, so its mode is 25. Okay. Now, another question can be, the histogram shown in the figure below shows the weights of a group of students in kilogram. Find how many students their weights are less than or equal to 39. Less than or equal to 39. So 39 will also be counted. So I told you this is top line, always you consider, okay? You see this is matching with 8, this is with 6, this is with 5, and this is with 3. So add all these numbers. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. So its answer will be 22. Do we have any option? Yes, the third one. Okay, like this you can do this question. Now another question can be, which of the following box plot represent the data? Now this type of question will be very easy for you. I am telling, no calculation required. You see, minimum number. What is the minimum number here? 4. 4 is the smallest number. So this line should be on 4. But here it is on 5. So this option is not possible. Okay. Here on 4. Very good. So one option we are matching with. Okay. Now, I want to see the number also. Okay. So see, third option also is not matching because third option also starts from 5. So it is not possible. Now, what is the maximum number? Maximum number is 11. So here you see, minimum is 4. Okay. Maximum is 11. That is also very good. Now what about other three lines? This is, I told you, this is first quartile, this is median, and this is third quartile. Yes. Now if I write the numbers in ascending order, so it will be 4, 5, then 6, 9, 10. Where is 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and then 11. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So now what is the middle number? 7. So median line should be on 7. Okay, so let's check the last option also. What they say? Median is on 7, but the minimum is not good. So this option is correct, the second one. Why this is correct? Because it is matching with the median. Okay, because median is on 7. So this answer will be correct. If after that also you are matching with the same to same, then you can go for the first quartile, that is the middle number of the first half, and the second quartile, third quartile, that is the middle number of the second half. Okay, like that you can solve the question. Now another question can be, find the range of the values. Range means, what is the formula for the range of the values? Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, so it is maximum is what? 12. Minimum is what? 5. So it is equal to 7. So what will be the answer here? 7. Okay, this is the last one. This is the answer. Now, I think this is the last question. Find the surface area of the triangular prism shown in the picture. Now you see surface area of the triangular prism. So if you will open it, then you will get this rectangle, this one. I am doing it little directly. Okay. So rectangle R1, this is R1. It is equal to 10 multiply 4. This area will be 40 centimeter square. Then it's, you see this side one, this one, which comes in the right. So this is I am taking as R2. So area of R2 is 10 multiply 5 means 50 centimeter square. And then another will be on the back side of this, means this side. So that is I am taking R3. Okay, this R3, it is equal to, you see what will be the side of those? One side will be 10 because 10 here. So it will be same, it will go to the back side also, and one side is 3. So 10 multiply 3 is 30. Now this is all about the rectangle. What about the triangle? We have two triangles. So area of two triangles will be half times base times height and multiply by 2. Why multiply by 2? Because we have two triangles. So 2 up and 2 down cancel. It will be 12 centimeter square. So total surface area, it will be equal to what? Add all the areas, 40 plus 50 plus 30 plus 12. So it will be 40, 50, 90, 90, 30, 120, 120 and 12, 132 centimeter square. Do we have any option? Yes, the last one. Okay, like this you can do the questions, my dear students. Hope you understood all the questions, and if you have any problem you can write in the comment. Okay, and I'm sure tomorrow you will have very good exam. Don't worry about all the things, but yes, read the questions carefully. Few tips I'm giving you how to score the good marks. Read the question carefully and think twice, and keep your eye on the previous step also, because in mathematics next step comes from the last step. Okay, so keep your eye on the last step also. By chance you think something right and you write something wrong, okay, so by that it will be corrected. No worries about all these things, and I'm sure tomorrow you will have good exam. Good luck for your exams, and don't forget to see my videos when you will go to the grade 7 also. Okay, thank you.